Hi, my name is Joe Eugenio. I'm a real estate investor based here in Houston, Texas. So I've been doing this for a few years now. Started out as a realtor and then transitioned into wholesaling. Now we do other creative options such as sub-to, owner finance, or novations. We help homeowners solve their real estate situations, whether they're behind on their mortgage payments or delinquent on their taxes or simply want to get rid of a problem house. We'll help them solve those situations. So that's what I do. I've been working with CECE and the Jtva team for a while. Definitely help structure my business. They helped set up my CRM, set up all the automations, the campaigns, and all the bells and whistles that the CRM could help us with. Definitely generated leads for us for the business that turned into deals. If you've been thinking about, or if you're on the fence about working with JTBA and their team, getting their services to support your business, don't think twice. Go for it. Whether you're a startup or you're trying to scale in this business, JTBA can support your growth. It definitely will be a vital factor in you achieving your goals, your sales goals. Organization, support, and results. That's what they provide. They're going to help you grow your business, leave you from all the nitty gritty that you don't want to do, the tasks that you don't like. Take that away from you and let you focus on the aspects that you like in your business and the money making things. Okay.